How do you make money in any business? Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. So how do you make money in any business? Yes, it sounds very bold, I know, but it is really the foundation for any business. And it is simply to solve a problem, to alleviate pain for a specific group of people. So it has to be a specific group of people, your niche, because then they usually have this same kind of problem that you can solve. And then you go and research this group of people, and should be a group of people that you're interested in. Maybe it's you before you solve this problem, or maybe it is you now. You should have a specific interest in this group of people, because when things get tough and there's always challenges in life and in business, then you won't give up if it's something that you are interested in, if you really want to help this group of people. So then you go and ask them, what is their most painful problem? And it may be different from what you were struggling with if you had this problem before. So it's important to ask what other people's problems are. And then you simply go and solve this problem for them. And make sure that it's a painful problem that they want to pay to have solved. Because if it's not painful enough, they may not want to pay money to have it solved. Or if you're a coach or consultant and you have a high ticket program, then you also have to make sure it's so painful that they are willing to pay high ticket for it. And you find out by simply researching if they're already spending money in this niche, if they're already spending money with the other coaches or consultants or seminars or anything that they're spending money on to have this problem solved. Otherwise, it's highly unlikely that they'll pay for a high ticket program with you if it's not painful enough that they're already spending money on this to having this problem solved. So I hope it makes sense. Comment below if you have any questions, and give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more, and share it with friends and family. And also, if you want to work with me, then I specialize in Facebook and Instagram and all kind of paid ads for coaches and consultants, and getting quality clients for coaches and consultants with the paid ads. So if you want to learn more about it, you can book a call with me. There's a link in the description. Also, please, you can consider joining our Facebook group and get lots of free valuable content from me and other social media marketers. There's a link in the description. And also, there's some free downloads down below. There's a free Facebook ad template that you can go and download. And we also have an ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. Go ahead and download that. And now we can also become a member of this YouTube channel. There's a button below the video where you can join, and you'll get access to me on WhatsApp to ask extra questions, and you'll get extra free videos that are not posted here on YouTube. So go ahead and join our YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.